Hello guys, now this one 2200 series. Uh, um, Sige, i-crank nito dong.
Ya?
I-crank. Pandara.
Ano sa tayo? Andar patay dayon?
Kahit na mga 1 minute lang. Ayun guys, we check this one because there is a sounds.
Meron na kayo
Ah, wala na. Tigok ko to. Wala na to. May naputulan to ng barbula. Barbula o valve setting niya. May kompresyon na lumalabas sa intake. Dapat walang kompresyon na lumalabas. Sige, tanggalin mo na yung battery. So guys, if you heard sounds the engine bad sounds, you can open this intake side. Then you can see must be intake side, must be no compression out, but there is compression out. It means there is a problem in valve seat ring, insert ring, or valve itself problem. So now you can see here there is a problem here, so need to open the cylinder head. 2200 series. Patong lang tong dong yung takip nito I-inform natin kay Ihab na kailangan baklasin kailangan baklasin cylinder head.
Paano sa tayo?
I-report mo natin kay Ihab. This one guys. Need to dismantle the cylinder head. Guys, ready for remove cylinder head. Pansin nyo guys, okay naman yung mga piston guys, pwede siyang ibalik. So dahil guys na because of this engine, first time open, so now need to change only piston ring, and then if the bearing also okay, change bearing. Only one valve guys problem in the intake side. Only the side number 2 have problem. Air intake side too much down, so this is the problem guys. That's why there is a compression leakage. All intake already defected. See here, that's why there is a compression leakage coming out. This one also, this one and this one. One here. Bulb setting and bulb already done. There is leakage, so that's why compression coming out from the intake side. So now cylinder head is safety, only insert ring and bulb change. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Because we are busy guys, we are 2 people now. Other guy also cleaning cylinder head, KT50. Doon na my partner. Because we are 4 group here. Done. Already finished. That's why compression coming out from intake. That's why compression coming to intake out. All broken. Compression leakage. All bulb finish. Kailangan linisan bago ipadala sa machine shop.